Hello, welcome to video 2. If y'all guys have seen my last video, I might record this on the exact day, but I record this on the exact day, yeah. So last where we left off, I showed y'all guys startup repair thing, and now we're going to complete the startup repair by clicking wrong button. But yeah, I'm gonna click that one. Waiting for it to start. It's saying starting up Windows. Look at those pretty things. And they make Windows. Yeah, as I said last video, leave in the comments below if you have any, I think that's what I said, yeah. If I didn't in this video, leave any comments below if you have any errors with this, or, just, try to find another video to do this. I'm doing this on my computer, so, don't kind of complain if this doesn't work for, like, any of the fancy computers or the newest computers that came out, like, probably like Windows 8. I'm not sure if, those are the exact ones. This might only work up to, like, Windows 7 or Windows, that's how you say it, but, yeah. See, it's loading. We got last time. Stuff is happening. I don't even know what's happening. It's loading. There you go. Windows is starting up. There you are. Very to configure Windows. Do not turn off your computer. Okay, so hopefully I don't have to do a part 3 of this. Please don't tell me. It's gonna take up too much space on my phone. Windows 7 Ultimate. Yeah, I think I might need an update, but it's going pretty fast. There you go. Alright, so it configured all the updates. Go ahead and put it in. You guys need to see this part. It's kind of embarrassing how I messed up my password twice. Welcome. It's loading. Windows is not genuine. I think this is another video error. Another error that you're gonna get on your PC. I usually just press cancel for this. Another one will show up saying that you could do more or something like that if you press ask me later. But then this will open up and then you're finished with everything. So yeah, your PC is fixed. You don't have to worry about never going back on your PC. As you can see, go ahead, open up anything. I think the reason I put in the comments below a video for me to show because I haven't found any. Oh crap! And my phone is charging, but I don't know why it's saying not on there. But I think I have a whole bunch of viruses on my computer because of all these I downloaded. Yeah, so put in the comments below of how to fix all this. My computer's like really bad. As you can see, I can't even open up this virus thing, this antivirus software thing, if I could even get it on the camera. And it doesn't even work. It doesn't open up or anything, and I can't really download any other ones because it says that I can't download anything because I can't even get on the internet. So yeah, look, kind of, open up or you could just get a pop-up for all your stupid viruses. Now my throat. You could open up any game you want, like Minecraft. You could, I need to delete all this stuff. Another thing that we're probably going to do next video, which I'm going to show you guys, or actually this video, I have a little bit more time. I've only been recording for like 5 minutes. Okay, so I guess it's going to be like a half video, half video. Okay, so here's the other half video, which is going to be how to make your PC a little bit faster. If your guys' PC isn't working that fast, after you did this tutorial, then, you go and fix it like this. So what you're going to do is go and run. Like that, you're going to type in %temp. I think this is it. Let's put it to where you guys could see it. Temp. Yeah, you're just going to %temp%. You guys can't see it from right there. Yep, you guys can see it probably from that distance. I'll put in the link below of all the things you have to type in. Yeah, %temp. I think that's it. I could just put temp. I think that's what I put. Usually people don't get this one error, but yeah. Afterwards, it should show all this crappy folder stuff that you have from your PC. Go ahead and find a little. Go ahead and use my little stick. I'm tired of using my hands to use for this camera. Set it up real quick. It takes a while to set up. My phone sucks. It keeps like falling to the side. But there you go. Alright, so alright, my camera set up, I think it's finished. There you go. Right here somewhere. Right here, good. And I lost my other stuff. I have no idea where it is. Okay. Alright, we're just gonna have to hold it. Alright, so you're gonna wanna go in this. You're gonna press Control A. It should get everything where you go and be like other people. Just highlight it all. And Control D. This is just only one. And Control. I don't think this is the right folder, is it? Hold on. It was supposed to be run. I go and type it again. Let's see if that was the right one. What? Oh. Temp. Alright, there you go. Here's the right one. I almost just deleted the wrong one. But, yeah. So, what you're gonna do is just go ahead and delete all the stuff. I already deleted all mine, which is why, yeah. But you should have 4 things, I think 4 things, or, stuff left over. Don't worry about deleting any of your stuff that you need for your PC. Don't worry about accidentally breaking it, because look, if you try to delete it, until you try again, you're just going to press skip, and you're only going to have one thing there, which I have no idea what this is, but it's for the PC, I guess. Next, what you're going to do is go to Start, or hit the Start button on your thing. You're going to go to Run. Instead of writing temp, you're going to write prefetch, and you have it typed in. It's going to ask you, you currently don't have access to this folder. You're just going to press continue. And, a whole bunch of folders are going to pop up. Here's the scary part about this is that I already did all this. I already kind of deleted it, which it's all back, which is why I hate my computer, because once I delete it all, it just comes right back after a second, after I close this prefetch folder. And afterwards, everything will be deleted. Prefetch, a folder, you really don't have to do that. Next, you're going to want to open the main one, which you guys can't see. Here you go. You know what? It's probably going to show disk cleanup. That was all worth it. Disk cleanup. So, I don't know why it's doing that. When I zoom up, it doesn't work. I have to go all the way over here just so I can say it. Just let it go. And then, I'm gonna go pick every single one of them. We're gonna press clean up system files. Wait for that one to load. Crap, been 11 minutes. I gotta finish this video quick. Wait for it to load. You know what? Hold on, let me just do this real quick. Let me see if I could actually try to make it better. I don't think that's the way how everybody says it. Backup thing. Yeah, guys might hear some stuff in the background, which isn't me. For some reason, it's you know, other people. You guys should know what I'm talking about. Go ahead and wait for this to finish. Taking forever. Keeps like stopping, so I have to like close it and reopen it because it crashes. Alright, this one actually might go. There you go. Alright, so crap. Okay, so I have on here. It's clicked. You're gonna want to press OK. Okay. Delete files. Crap, I missed again. There you go. And you are finished. Once this bar is done, and you are finished. So let's see. Try to open up Google Chrome. See how fast it opens. As you can see, it opens up pretty fast. See how fast it takes to open up like an app. What the heck was that app? It has a little alchemy or something like that. I'm not sure. You have to wait for this to see if this actually works. Check my downloads. I actually want to fix my PC, but it never works. I can't take to somebody because I don't have enough money, and last time, yeah, I don't think this PC is even able to fix. Since I try to uninstall everything on here, I think this is the main one, but then it just keeps telling me that, there's something installing already, or something, and then, you know, once I install it, look, it's actually installing this time. Yes. And later on, I'll install something else, and then something else, and then something else, and then after they'll just tell me that, I can't download it, I can't uninstall it anymore because this is already uninstalling something. But yeah, you guys already watched too much of this because it's been 15 minutes now. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video, or this half video. Subscribe. And post in the comments if this worked or if this didn't. I'll try to find out other ways to fix this for other types of PCs. If Run doesn't work, then, you know, I can't do anything about it. You're just gonna have to probably look up another video to see how to even open up Run, because for me, Run has, you know how slow my PC went? It's never been that slow to where, I can't open up Run. Unless if I have, like, a super, like, really bad virus on my PC. And, like, I can't delete it, because right when I download it, it just messes up my entire PC. But, yeah, next video I'll probably show you guys, if I can even find it, how to reset your entire PC. Not how to reset your entire PC, but, you know, how to take out everything on your PC if your PC doesn't work that well like mine, or something. I'll probably just put more PC videos. I'll see you guys later. Bye.